बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रहली सदरी वयस्सिरली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Assalamu alaikum dear students. The part of the chapter 4 which we are going to study is the continuation of previous lecture. So previously we have discussed about the difference of weather and climate. Like weather is for short term and that is what happening outside your window. Whereas climate is for long term and the classic time period is 30 years for the particular region. Besides, I have told you about climate change and its reasons. Alright? So today we are going to learn about greenhouse effect in detail. So students, for understanding the concept of greenhouse effect, first it's very important to understand that what is greenhouse. Have you seen nurseries of plants like this? You know what, nurseries are none other than greenhouse, which is made up of glass and is used to grow plants such as flowers and vegetables. Now let's see that how it works. Let's see that how the greenhouse works. So first of all, sun rays comes in the greenhouse. Then the rays of the sun warm the plants in greenhouse along with the air inside it. When the greenhouse heats up, then the heat is trapped by a glass and can't escape. That trap the heat which helps in controlled growth of the plants in the greenhouse, both in winters and in summers. So this is the whole process of greenhouse. Now let's implement the whole greenhouse process on our earth. So as you know that earth's atmosphere works as a blanket like the greenhouse. And the gases in the atmosphere like carbon dioxide works as a roof just like the roof of the greenhouse does. During the day the sun shines and reaches the earth. Earth's surface then warms up, but in night the earth becomes cool again. Because at night energy or heat is reflected back into the space, but some of the heat is absorbed or trapped by the greenhouse gases. These heat trapping gases are called greenhouse gases. Alright, so let's see the short clip which will help you to understand the greenhouse effect in detail. Okay, now just think that what are humans doing to make greenhouse effect stronger? Like how are humans impacting the greenhouse effect? So scientists research that human activities are changing Earth's natural greenhouse effect. Humans are causing too much carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is released by burning of fossil fuels such as oil, gas, coal. So here these are some major sources of carbon dioxide like factory smoke, car fumes which resulted in the burning of fossil fuel, then deforestation. So here deforestation is one of the major cause of greenhouse effect, and it means cutting or burning of large amount of trees. However, volcanic eruption is considered one of the important cause of carbon dioxide. So, what might happen if the earth gets warmer? Like, क्या होता है जब अर्थ बहुत ज़्यादा वार्म हो जाए तो फिर क्या होता है, अब हम ये देखेंगे. Alright, so when earth gets warmer, temperature rises. And when temperature rises, climate change occurs. Then, because of climate change, polar ice melts, which resulted in the sea level rise. Okay, when sea level rises, it ultimately threat to low-lying areas, like you can see in this picture. But sometimes places become deserts because of so much high temperature. Alright, so you know what, दुनिया के पूरे वर्ल्ड में जितने भी कोस्टल एरियाज़ हैं जिनमें स्पेसिफिकली मालदीव जो है वो अंडर हाई रिस्क है, अंडर हाई थ्रेट है. बिकॉज उसका डे बाय डे एंड विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम जैसे जैसे सी लेवल राइज हो रहा है वैसे वैसे उसका जो लैंड एरिया है वो बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे होता जा रहा है, वो बहुत उसके ऊपर पानी की जो लेयर है या उसके वाटर की जो लेयर है वो राइज होती जा रही है डे बाय डे. ऑल राइट, so this is how greenhouse effect changes the normal weather pattern to the greater extent. और हम ये देख रहे हैं कि ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट डे बाय डे इंक्रीज़ होने की वजह से हमारे जो थ्रेट्स हैं, क्लाइमेटिक थ्रेट्स जो हैं वो बहुत एट हाई रिस्क है हमारे एरियाज़ और हमारी लाइव्स और प्लांट लाइव्स और एवरीथिंग ऑन द अर्थ. All right, so thank you so much for listening. If you have any question or any confusion or you have any queries, then you can ask me. All right.